the only one who didn't know these social media strategies could triple your print-on-demand sales. Let's unravel these secrets together. Tip 1. Leverage user-generated content. Get your customers to post pictures with your products. Nothing screams trust like real people flaunting real experiences. Next up, collaborate with influencers. A shout-out from them can boost your visibility overnight. Tip 3. Run targeted ads. Pinpoint your audience with laser accuracy on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Moving on, don't ignore stories. They're your backstage pass to engaging customers daily. Engage deeply with your community. Reply, like, and interact. Make your brand a friend, not just a business. And hey, who doesn't love freebies? Run contests, make noise, get viral. Consistency is key. Keep a schedule, keep their attention. Use hashtags wisely to expand your reach. Share those glowing testimonials. If your clients love you, tell the world. Finally, analyze everything. What worked? Do more. What didn't? Ditch it. Use tools to keep your strategy sharp and effective. Implement these tips and watch your sales skyrocket. And remember, consistency is your best friend in this game. Catch you on the flip side.